But how do we update a background image, like this image in our hero section? First, we need to select the container. Sometimes you can simply click the container and it's been selected. For this particular container, it's not quite so simple. So what we can do, if it doesn't work, and update what we are able to edit in our left side panel, you can click the 6 dots on the Edit Container tab, and that will open the Container Edit menu. And here you have different tabs. You have Layout, Style, and Advanced. We'll update the background image under the Style tab, which is already selected for us. Here, you can change your background type between classic, gradient, video, or slideshow. Selecting one of these will change what's displayed. Right now, we have an image for our background, so we can swap it out by hovering over the image and selecting Choose Image. Now, I want to upload a file of my actual coffee shop for this hero section, so let's go to the Upload Files tab, click Select Files, then we'll select the image of our coffee shop. The image gets added to our media library. You can see it's selected on the left in the first position, and the file name was added as our title and alt text. Now for SEO purposes, we want to make sure that the title and alt text fields for our images are filled in with something descriptive. So let's make the title Our Beautiful Coffee Shop. The alt text is what appears if your image can't load on the page for some reason. And there are some best practices to follow when creating alt text. To learn more about this, I recommend clicking this blue link here that says Learn how to describe the purpose of the image. It'll take you to this page here titled An Alt Decision Tree. For any image that appears on your site, you can use this decision tree to decide whether or not you need alt text. And if you do, what the best thing to put for your alt text is. For example, here, following the decision tree, we get down to, does the image contribute meaning to the current page or context? And the best option to answer for this is yes, it's a simple graphic or photograph. So it says use a brief description of the image in a way that conveys the meaning in the alt attribute. Closing this tab, we can just say something like this. When you're done, click Select. And now the beautiful image of our coffee shop has been loaded in for our hero section.